across to live visuals of massive confrontation between the police and agitators in connection to the rape and murder of Abhaya. This even as the former principal is being quizzed for a sixth straight day. Remember, viewers, Sandeep Ghosh had left the CBI office yesterday late night and has come back at around 9 a.m. for a fresh round of quizzing. Meanwhile, visuals are coming in from Shyam Bazaar of Kolkata of a massive agitation by protesters demanding justice for Abhaya. You can see heavy police deployment as there is a massive uprising in Bengal. Several calls being raised demanding the stepping down of Mamata Banerjee as the government. This is, of course, after clampdown by Mamata's cops. Doctors are continuing their march, pressing for their demands and for Mamata Banerjee to step down. Viewers, even as we're breaking you these fresh visuals in the latest, what we can tell you is that the former principal RG Ghosh, Sandeep Ghosh of RG Kaur Medical College, I beg your pardon, has been quizzed for over 5 hours now. In fact, this is the sixth day of his interrogation by the CBI. Remember, viewers, he had left the CBI office yesterday late night and has come back around 9 a.m. for a fresh round of quizzing today, and it's almost 5 hours now that his quizzing continues. It is also likely that a polygraph test of his will be conducted by the CBI. In fact, I'm joined in now by my colleague from Republic Bangla, Kishlay, on the story. Kishlay, a very good afternoon to you. Now, RG Sandeep Ghosh continues to be grilled by the CBI. It's almost 5 hours even today of his interrogation by the CBI team. Have you been able to pick up any leads as to the kind of questions he's being subjected to, and if the CBI have been able to pick up any information from his interrogation?
Well, exactly. We will be coming to that details. Also, I'll request the PCR to cut back to that protest that's happening just right in front of Lal Bazaar. This is Congress protest in front of Lal Bazaar, where the Congress workers are also clashing with the police. And this is a hypocrisy. As we asked Rahul Gandhi yesterday about the same matter, he said it is a distraction. And now the Congress is protesting on the roads of Kolkata. So it's in a way hypocrisy. That's on one hand. On the other hand, the CBI is also grilling Sandeep Ghosh. We are showing visuals when Sandeep Ghosh entered the CBI office and he was speaking. That's the live visuals. Those are the live visuals from Lal Bazaar, the police headquarters in Kolkata, and Congress workers are clashing with the police. They are demanding justice. But our question is also, the people of West Bengal are also asking. When Rahul Gandhi was asked yesterday about the same incident, he said that this is a distraction you are trying to pose to me and I'm not going to answer. Also, we are asking questions like the people of West Bengal are asking questions. The Kapil Sibal, a Congress leader and spokesperson, a former spokesperson, he is standing up for the West Bengal government in this particular RG Kaur case in the court in his professional capacity. We understand that he has the independence to do so, but however, he cannot forget his Congress links. So that same person is right now helping the state government, standing up for them in the court. On the other hand, the Congress workers are on the streets in Kolkata. So this is in a way hypocrisy. This is in a way hypocrisy where we see Congress workers are on the streets demanding justice, whereas Rahul Gandhi never speaks about it. And when we ask him, he says this is a distraction. And whereas Kapil Sibal is in the courts defending the state government and saying that enough has already been done in the RG Kaur case. So if it is enough, if enough has already been done in the RG Kaur case, then why these Congress workers are on the street? What are they demanding for? This is a question that people of West Bengal are asking, and these visuals are straightly coming from Lal Bazaar area police headquarters. We can see white uniform Kolkata police again cracking down on Congress workers. This is just one day after the Supreme Court very specifically told the West Bengal administration not to unleash their power. Not to unleash their power on the protesters. Now, what is this? I don't know, is this unleashing their power on the protesters or no, or not? We do not know the description of unleashing power, but clearly we can see that there is a barricade being put up. Kolkata police pushing and shoving the protesters, and the protesters, Congress protesters are trying to enter from the barricade and go towards Lal Bazar in order to demand justice. But again, what justice are they demanding is a question when Rahul Gandhi is clearly not ready to answer questions about this particular thing. Back to the studio.
Right, well, thanks for joining us with those details. Meanwhile, viewers, let's talk about the dramatic visuals that are coming in from protests in Kolkata. These are visuals from outside Lal Bazar, where there is a massive confrontation. In fact, these are Congress workers that are staging protest against LI Mamata Banerjee. Clear hypocrisy being seen within the Congress party after Rahul Gandhi's statement yesterday. Now workers of his own party are taking out a huge protest, a huge confrontation of the protesters with the police there in Kolkata, and the police in fact cracking down on the protesters instead of really providing justice to the victim and all the doctors who are out on streets as anger mounts over the incident with no justice in sight as of now. This is in fact after the Supreme Court had come down heavily on the Mamata government in Bengal and also questioned the administration of the RG Kaur Medical College and its principal Sandeep Ghosh, who meanwhile is being questioned by the CBI for the 6th day today, and 5 hours of his grilling continues even today. And right now, these are visuals from Lal Bazar of Kolkata, where a large number of protesters are out on streets, and the police have put up barricades to really stop the protesters.